Today we're gonna do another episode of Five Nights at Freddy's. Okay, and then I'm still on night 5, so this will probably be my 100th attempt. Okay, so let's go. Let's hope I don't run out of power. Let's wait a while. Oh, Bunny's gone. There's Bunny. Bunny. Okay. I've heard that they can pop. Oh, whoa. Look. Decapitated Bunny. Everybody see that? Oh, gosh. Ooh, this is... Oh, my gosh. This is actually... Oh, there's Freddy. Oh, my gosh. There's Bunny. Oh, gosh. Oh, my gosh. That was probably the fastest game over ever. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. They were going so fast. Ducky usually goes in the kitchen first and then... What? Oh my... Oh my... Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That was probably the fastest I've ever gone. Oh, they're really coming. Oh my gosh. Check the lights. Oh, okay. Oh, there's Ducky. Oh gosh. Oh, he's still... Okay, he's in the kitchen. Huh? Oh my gosh. He's coming. Oh my god. He's going. He's still there. I don't even have time to... Now I'm really scared. Now I'm really scared. Oh my god. Oh, they're both... Make dinner. Oh. I'm already lost. Just face it. Alright, ready? Oh, there's... Face it. always get close like this? Just, it's always my power. Well, I hope no one scares me. Oh, okay. Well, that was close. Really close, so... Oh my gosh. Oh. That end of the game, Freddy never gets old. Well, this will be my one last for this video, so... Oh my gosh. I can't believe that first one. How fast that went. This is going way too fast. I never experienced this. Well, I guess it crashed, so...